Diet failing? Fix it fast in 2025. Are you tired of diets that leave you feeling frustrated and defeated? Is your 2025 weight loss goal feeling further away than ever? Don't give up. This isn't just another diet video, this is your escape route from the diet roller coaster. In the next 7 minutes, we're revealing the game-changing strategies you need to fix your diet fast, finally. We'll bust common myths, unveil simple yet effective hacks, and give you the motivation to stick with it. Ready to ditch the diet drama and embrace lasting results? Then stick around until the end. We've all been there. We start a new diet with high hopes only to find ourselves falling off the wagon a few weeks later. But why does this keep happening? Is it because we're not motivated enough? Or is it because we're using the wrong approach? The truth is, most diets fail because they're not sustainable in the long term. They're too restrictive, too boring, or too hard to follow. But what if you could find a diet that actually works for you? So, what's the first secret to fixing your diet fast in 2025? It all starts with setting realistic and achievable goals. Far too often, people dive into dietary changes with lofty ambitions like shedding 20 pounds in a month, only to find themselves overwhelmed, frustrated, and eventually giving up. Instead, aim for a steady and manageable pace, such as losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. This might feel like a slow start, but it's the cornerstone of long-term success and sustainability. By focusing on small, consistent progress, you're building habits that stick, which is much more effective than extreme measures that can lead to burnout or health complications. Write down your goals and make them specific. Think of measurable milestones like fitting into a favorite outfit or improving energy levels, not just abstract numbers on a scale. Tracking your progress is equally essential. Whether it's through a journal, an app, or simply a checklist on your fridge, monitoring your daily efforts helps you stay accountable and see how far you've come. Each small win boosts your motivation and reinforces your commitment. Remember, the key is progress, not perfection. This approach doesn't just fix your diet, it transforms your relationship with food and health for the better. The second secret to fixing your diet fast in 2025 is discovering a diet that truly works for you, one that aligns with your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. No two people are the same, and what works wonders for one person might feel like a struggle or chore for another. That's why it's crucial to explore and experiment with different dietary approaches until you find the one that feels natural and enjoyable. This isn't about jumping on the latest trend or forcing yourself into a rigid plan that feels restrictive. Whether it's keto, vegan, intermittent fasting, or even a balanced Mediterranean-style diet, the goal is to choose a strategy that you not only enjoy, but can sustain for the long haul. For example, if you love carbs, a low-carb or keto diet might feel too limiting, whereas a balanced or plant-based diet could be a better fit. Conversely, if you struggle with constant snacking, intermittent fasting could provide structure and simplify your eating habits. Pay attention to how different foods and eating patterns make you feel. Do they leave you energized or sluggish, satisfied or craving more? Consider your daily schedule, social habits, and cooking preferences as well. These factors play a huge role in determining whether a diet will feel manageable or overwhelming. Above all, remember that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best diet is the one you can stick to consistently while still enjoying your meals and feeling good about your choices. When your diet feels like a natural part of your routine rather than a struggle, that's when lasting change happens. The third secret to fixing your diet fast in 2025 is the power of support. Embarking on a health and fitness journey can feel overwhelming at times, and having a network of like-minded individuals by your side can make all the difference between giving up and pushing through. Support provides not only motivation, but also accountability, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. Start by connecting with others who share similar goals. Joining a fitness group, whether online or in person, is a fantastic way to surround yourself with people who understand your struggles and can celebrate your victories. Many communities are dedicated to specific diets, workout routines, or health goals, so you're likely to find one that resonates with your approach. Sharing tips, swapping recipes, and cheering each other on can make the journey more enjoyable and less isolating. If groups aren't your thing, consider finding a workout buddy, a friend, family member, or colleague who's also looking to improve their health. Exercising or meal prepping together not only strengthens your commitment, but also turns the experience into a social and rewarding activity. On tough days, they can offer encouragement and help you stay on track. For more personalized guidance, hiring a coach or nutritionist can be a game changer. A professional can tailor advice to your specific needs, troubleshoot challenges, and keep you accountable with regular check-ins. They're also a great source of knowledge and motivation, ensuring you stay consistent, even when the initial excitement fades. Remember, success doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. Building a supportive environment, whether it's through a group, a buddy, or a coach, provides the structure, inspiration, and accountability needed to keep you moving forward. Surrounding yourself with people who believe in your goals can transform the process from daunting to empowering. You've got this. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Let us know what you're struggling with, and we'll do our best to help. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and you'll be notified every time we drop a new video packed with tips and motivation to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.